What is up, guys? We are at some rest area in the middle of nowhere.
Love's on, I think, the edge of the Florida-Georgia border.
Yes, sir. I don't know what we're doing here right now. We're probably getting dinner. Our people are. Yeah. We have Jollibee on the bus, so you know the
Jollibee, that stuff. Hopping back on the bus, about to hop on the long trip, making some friends, got some food, got some chocolate, because Big Man's is gonna be hungry.
Always. What's up, Migs? Update.
I'm really thirsty right now, so I got this water.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll catch y'all. Oh yeah, by the way, here's our bus. If you haven't seen it, it's kind of fire.
It's hella fire.
Say what's up to our bus driver.
What are you guys? I'm Zach.
Walk just finished.
March for Life is over. We're going back to the bus. About to take a picture in front of the Capitol building.
Yes,
Had a hell of a time getting to it because we
Say
didn't
what's
know
up
the
with the
direction.
vlog.
Pro babies, pro women, pro science.
Yes, sir. How's the march?
It was so good. I was so inspired. I cried. I laughed. I yelled. I was silent.
What is that vlog? What is that vlog? Yeah, holy crap, I didn't wash my face, breaking out. But we'll catch y'all when we get a Chick-fil-A. That's why we woke up early today. But yeah, we're about to walk to Chick-fil-A right down the road.
Now we are walking, braving the rain, to go to Chick-fil-A. Some Chick-fil-A at 6 o'clock in the morning on this windy Saturday morning. Windy and rainy. Hotel is back there. Chick-fil-A is just coming up. But I forgot my GoPro in a search for Miguel's freaking wallet. So it's back at the hotel. And it's Gucci. Still blessed and alive this morning. Blessed to be able to even go to Chick-fil-A. So yeah, we're gonna be thankful no matter the circumstance, because there's a lot to be thankful for. It's cold, and also it's cold, and also we just walked up some stairs. We will catch y'all on the flip side. We'll catch y'all on the bus on the way to the Summit. Pro-Life Summit.
Alright, quick little food review. Okay, nicely packed. Got a cookie, chocolate chip to be exact. Classic Lay's. That's a weird font. I've never seen it like that. Some Italian vinaigrette.
Oh, no, I thought that.
Boy, give me that neck. That ain't no applesauce. Speaking of apples, an apple. Wow, neatly wrapped. A club. Mustard and mayo. Wait, are these both mayos? No, that's mayo. This is mustard. That's mustard. Oh, a whole salad, right? But it's a bunch of olives. Club looks alright though. It'll do. And then gotta get that sweet tea. What is up? We're vlogging. We just met up. We just met some friends from Colorado. She's from Alaska and Kansas.
That was really dope. I've never actually seen the Star Second there.
The original one.
The original.
Bookings, head toast.
Cool. Oh, I think you do it.
You gotta twist the other way.
Like-
twist opposite.
Yeah.
Like you're ringing out. Look over here.
Like buying bugs.
We're actually on the National Mall right now. Beautiful National Washington Monument, not National. Washington Monument is behind me. Like 20 minutes of running around and me using like 4 different scooters. We finally found one that actually works. We got back to the hotel, or to the conference center. The bikes are over there. You know the vibes, I don't know where my tag went, but it's somewhere. I'll put it on when I get inside because my hands are freezing right now.
Yeah.
Can't feel my hand. What's up?
What's up?
It's David though. Yeah, we're going to Shake Shack. Ooh, I don't know what that is.
And right now we're walking into the fashion center at Pentagon City.
Say hi to the vlog.
The hell.
This is the vlog. Wait, where are we going?
Pentagon Mall.
Yeah, we all.
Trying to go get some food. Starving like a mug. Shake Shack, what are you getting? What are you getting? Alright, chill out.
How's burger, bro?
Cameron's fries are good. Are they good?
You're alright.
I want to be
We got our food.
Shake Shack.
Uh-huh.
GoPro.
What'd you get?
I got
One fry.